cake. And thank you for my birthday cake. And thank you for my gift card.
I want to light them for you.
Too bad. Be careful, be careful, be careful.
Now, how old are you?
40. And Mommy, happy birthday, Mama. She's 40.
Everybody is really quick to remind me how old I am.
See who's got a death grip on that thing.
Happy birthday
To you.
I love you.
Happy birthday to
I love you.
Happy
Dear the lovely queen. Happy birthday, dear the lovely queen.
birthday.